Welcome back. It's day 18 of the 21-day challenge. We only have 3 days left, and that'll be Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. I will shoot a video every single day for the next 3 days and show you what I ate and kind of what I've done. And I'll try to pack in some things that maybe I don't eat all the time, but might be a good suggestion and kind of just a starting point. Again, we're at the beginning stage of keto. Don't make it complicated. You don't need to be making all these crazy pizzas and all this stuff, and let that come. Wait until you get completely tired of the food you're eating and then start doing the Pinterest and YouTubes and all that kind of stuff. Real quick, Thursday morning, I will shoot what my weight is and I will post that. So you will get my final weigh-in Thursday morning. Wednesday will be the last of the 21 days, but I will weigh in on Thursday morning because we weighed in on a Thursday 3 weeks ago. So I just want to keep it consistent, if you know what I mean. I was at Pocahontas at my grandma's still. I had a lot of stuff that had to be done. I worked all day pretty much, so I didn't eat much. But then again, the things I chose to eat limited what I could eat later. It started off with Keto Coffee. I had heavy whipping cream, 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream in there, 1 tablespoon of butter, and some stevia, just a teaspoon or whatever, the little package of Truvia stevia. I did not have any snacks at all. I had a late lunch and I actually ate a Baconator with no bun. It's just had bacon and cheese only on it. Hopefully what I found online is what it should be, but it had like, I don't know, 700 something calories in it. And then I had a side salad instead of fries. And I put ranch on that. They forgot to give me ranch, so thankfully my brother had went to the store and got some ranch for us both because he's doing keto as well. I did get unsweet tea, but like all fast food places, it's very hard for them to get the right thing, and they gave me sweet tea. So I took a sip of it and realized that that was not unsweet tea. So I did not drink that. It's in the video, but I didn't drink it. I came home and I decided, okay, I need to look at my calories, I need to look at my macros and see what I can eat for dinner. I had a ribeye in the refrigerator to cook for tonight. That way it wasn't something super hard to make whenever we got home. And I realized literally all I could afford with my macro restriction is 5 ounces of ribeye. It's not a horrible thing, it's kind of boring, and you know, if I don't stay filled, you know, I don't stay to that satiated, that full feeling, the rest of the night it's going to kind of be torture, if you know what I mean. But anyway, our protein came out to be 117. That's where we were looking for. Carbohydrates at 13 grams. And our fat is at 171. That's closer to the higher end. Remember, 180 was kind of where I was wanting to keep it at. The percentages come out to be carbohydrates 2%, fat 75%, and protein 23%. We're still sticking with that macro restriction. Again, you don't have to do that. There's no reason to do it, to be honest with you. If I feel crappy tomorrow, that's going to be a good indication that I should have ate more, because that day that we kind of went overboard, like 300, I actually felt really good the next day. So again, the macro restriction is a bit unnecessary. I just wanted to see if it made me feel any different. I think you need to do the same thing with a diet. So say if you're eating around 2,000 and you're not feeling good, try to bump it up to like, I don't know, 2,400 and see what you feel like there. If you feel even worse that way, then maybe you should back it back down to like 1,800. Again, the macros are all about just trying to figure out what works for you. There's no one calculator that's perfect. I mean, you might be 150 pounds and you're trying to lose 20 pounds. Your calorie intake is going to be different than mine based on, you know, my body weight composition. Like, you know, can you burn calories quicker? Is your metabolism fast? Do you go to the gym? Do you do cardio? There's so many things that, like, you know, that intertwine in that it's impossible to go with these macros. I feel like all my videos are becoming about macros, but I just think it's one of those things that it's kind of, I don't want to say it's a secret, but everyone has their own opinion on it. So no one ever knows exactly what you should. I know 2,000 is what a typical male gets. I mean, that I've heard that so many times, and that might have changed in the last couple of years or so. But again, these macro restrictions don't mean really anything. I just wanted to see what happened if I did them. And that's it. Nothing past that. Tomorrow, I'm gonna try to make some different stuff and try to get creative with what we'll eat. I'll think about something for breakfast that I haven't made yet. I'll sit down and think about that. I know some people have like poached eggs and stuff like that, but I mean, I feel like you're going way out of your way to do that. But anyhow, I'm gonna let you go, and I'll have some more to talk about tomorrow. Who knows, one might be talking about macros again. But either way, at least we stayed within the range this time. Hopefully I don't get hungry the rest of the night and I just drink water, I guess. Whatever. Anyway, shoot the blood red moon tonight. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna shoot the blood red moon or whatever that comes on in, I don't know, about 40 minutes or so. But I'll maybe throw a picture in tomorrow's episode so you can see what I took a picture of tonight. I did get some more drone footage this morning, and here it is. This is me flying. This is actually a 6-minute video, so I'm only going to play a little bit of it. But anyway, that's what it looked like this morning in Pocahontas. Until tomorrow, keep it keto.